Hi, my name is Galisha Henry, and I'll be presenting on the topic Organizational Culture. Did Toyota's culture cause its problem? The background of my case is Toyota is a Japanese based car manufacturing company. It is among the top five best selling manufacturers in the United States. In 2010, Toyota recalled more than 9 million vehicles due to various safety issues, which included claims of a serious defect called unintended acceleration. This defect is attributable to an electronic malfunction which causes a vehicle to accelerate without the driver pressing down on the gas pedal. Investigations reveal that unintended acceleration in Toyota cars has been the cause of 37 deaths since 2000. At first, Toyota denied that it was the cause of the problem. Eventually, Toyota apologized and issued a series of recalls. Many persons believe that the root cause of Toyota's problem was due to its arrogant culture. The company had become too successful and started to operate on the basis of the Toyota way is the only way. The Transportation Secretary, Ray LaHood, even described Toyota's culture as safety deaf. Contrary to those beliefs, evidence suggests that Toyota's culture is not the problem. Reports by the U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, and The Atlantic all noted that the most identifiable source of unintended acceleration was human error. That is, drivers mistaking the gas pedal for the brake pedal. Other car manufacturers have also experienced similar issues. Audi was nearly driven into bankruptcy when 60 Minutes aired a report out of control. The report claimed that defects in the company's cars were the cause of six fatal sudden acceleration accidents. However, it was later found that 60 Minutes paid someone to tamper with the car to cause the sudden acceleration shown in the segment. The key issues in my case are whether Toyota's culture caused its unintended acceleration problems, whether the company's arrogant culture has affected the quality of their vehicles, and did the company's response to the crisis make the situation worse? Case questions, I have four. The first one is if Toyota is not the cause of unintended acceleration, why was it blamed for it? Toyota was largely blamed due to its poor public relations. Cultural differences between America and Japan with regards to how crises are handled caused the company to react slowly to the problem. This made Americans believe that the company was not being transparent and was possibly hiding something. The series of recalls issued by Toyota added more fuel to the fire. The recalls were seen by the public and media as efforts to address the unintended accelerations. Toyota's image of arrogance was also a reason why it was blamed. The company initially denied responsibility without providing a clear explanation. Even when studies reveal that the incidents were likely caused by human error, the public had already lost trust due to Toyota's late response and the misinformation that was being reported by many news outlets. The second question is investigations have shown that after stories of unintended accelerations are publicized, report of incidents increase for all automakers. Why is this the case? Many car manufacturers use similar technology to build and assemble their vehicles. Therefore, when news broke that a large manufacturer such as Toyota was experiencing problems with unintended accelerations, persons who owned other brands of vehicles questioned the safety and reliability of their vehicles too. Additionally, the media plays an important role in influencing this effect. The stories reported are often inflammatory and sensationalized, therefore sparking a massive public concern. The case also mentioned that Audi experienced a similar issue due to misinformation and false report by the media. The third question is it possible to have a strong, even arrogant culture and still produce safe and high quality vehicles? Yes, it is possible to have a strong and arrogant culture and still produce safe and high quality vehicles. Toyota produces some of the most best selling vehicles worldwide. It prides itself on consistently producing quality products. However, an arrogant culture can create negative publicity which may overshadow the quality of the vehicles and cause people to lose trust in the company. Fourth question: if you were the CEO of Toyota when the story was first publicized, how would you have reacted? Toyota's initial response to the problem was viewed as arrogant. The company denied responsibility without providing a clear explanation to the public. As CEO, my first reaction would be to manage the crisis by putting in place proper communication channels. I would gather all the necessary information and call a press conference in a timely manner to let the public know that the company takes safety issues very seriously and an investigation into the matter has been launched. After the investigation is completed, I would present the findings to the public and ensure that sufficient details and facts are given to dispute that the company is at fault. I would then reassure the public that Toyota is committed to producing safe and quality vehicles through advertising campaigns. In conclusion, I do not believe that Toyota's arrogant culture is to blame for the unintended acceleration problems. However, I believe that the company should take measures to change its organizational culture because this situation showed it negatively affected the company in the public's eye. Although it may not directly affect the quality of the products, an arrogant and inflexible culture can weaken Toyota. References: I used two references within this presentation. The first one was Who Was Really at Fault for Toyota Recalls by The Atlantic, and the second one was How Toyota is Being Tested by Its Biggest Crisis Yet by Fortune Global 500. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.